Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is all about sweep and today's video is all about sweep basic tutorial. There is so many sub comments are there inside the sweep that all are advanced comment. We will not look into that comment today's video. Later on I might get all the videos, but today's video is only restricted about sweep basic comments for the beginners. So let's start without wasting the time. So here click on file, then click on new. After clicking on new, click on part design and then click on OK. Then select the plane of your choice, right click on it and then click on click on sketch. So if your plane is not normal to, then make it normal to by using Ctrl 8, or from here also you might from here the visual styling, from here also you might get this option. This is called normal to. So your plane will be normal to the this face. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to first make a path and then you have to create a profile and make sure path and your profile need to be perpendicular with each other. So first what I can do, first I'll be drawing the path, and again I am telling this video is completely targeted those who are beginners, okay, absolute beginners. So click on here plane and then click here, drag the line, place it and then again draw it horizontally and accept it. Now you need to make this two line constraint. So for that what you have to do, click on smart dimension, select this line and place it and then modify the value, maybe 250, accept it, and then again the horizontal line you need to select and place it and then make it 250. Both the line I'm taking 250, accept it. Now see here again you need to provide some kind of relation so that both the line will be constrained. For that what we can do one thing. I'll just select this end point and select this origin and coincide. Now see both the line is constrained and accept it. Now this is my path. Before leave the 2D sketch, I'll provide some sorts of fillet in the corner. So select this line and select this line and specify some corner value. Suppose it is 50 and no, make it around 80. This is only for the example purpose, and then accept it. See, this is my line, this is 250 and the corner is 80, accept it and exit from the 2D sketch. Now this is I have created my path. My first step for the sweep is been done, that is I need to create a path which has been created. So next step I have to create the perpendicular profile. So here I am taking a circular profile. For that here I need to create the profile. That means the path and the profile perpendicular to each other. But here I am not getting the main plane on which I can draw the path. So I need to understand how to create the reference plane perpendicular with this path. So for that click on the reference, click on the plane, and for the first reference you need to select any line. Here you might select this line also, or this, anything is okay, but I am selecting this line. And then for the second reference I am selecting this end point. So just choose the end point. Now see the path is been created. That means this path and this plane is perpendicular with each other. Now I can draw the profile. So accept it. After that, this is my second step. The third step is, now I have to select the data template, right click on it and click on the sketch option and enter the 2D sketch. Now click on the circle, because here I am taking the circular profile as because this is a basic sweep option, but as as per your drawing you need to draw the profile. So here my profile is circular, so I am just drawing here, randomly I am drawing here, and first I will be providing the value. Here it is 80, accept it, and then close from here, dimension property manager. Then I have to provide the relation so that this circle and this this line appears in a particular origin. So for that I select this, press Ctrl, select the line. Here is one option is called pierce. Just click on the pierce. Now it is constrained as well as this path and profile is perpendicular with each other. So hope this much is clear. Now if it is correct, then exit from the 2D sketch. Creating the path and the profile. Now our fourth step is we need to click on the sweep base boss option. So click on that, and first click on the sketch profile. Okay, and now select this profile and select this path. See, now the sweep is been done and all other options will remain same. Okay, here for this example I will not change any option. Here only keep in mind you have to choose this option, follow the path inside the option. Okay, inside the option there is two options are there. This is different, I am not discussing in this video, but make sure while you are doing simple sweep, just use this follow the path option, and then once you are done, then accept it. Okay, now see, this is correct, and if I want I can change the appearance or change the color. So this is a solid body. Here I am choosing the color. So here I am choosing the pinkish color and accept it. Now right click on this plane and hide the plane by clicking on this eye option. See, my plane is not visible now. So hope this much is clear with you. So we have finished with path and profile option. Our next option will be circular profile. In the circular profile, it is very it has a too much advantage, because in this case we do not have to draw the profile provided if it is circular. By the name of circular profile we can understand only if the profile is circular, then we do not have to draw the profile. So I have minimized previous option and previous sweep, and next I opened a new pages, and then I am drawing a centered rectangle, because this circular profile option is available for the both closed sketch and open sketch. So here I am taking a closed sketch. I am drawing a simple rectangle and make it constraint. I have just provided the value, that is 150 by 90, and exit from the 2D. Now the cross section of the profile, as I have chosen it circular, so for the sweep I do not have to create a separate profile. I do not have to take any plane, nothing, only just click on sweep and then choose the circular profile option and then choose the path. That's all. You may try this same option with the open profile and check it out whether it is working or not. If you still find any problem, please do comment below. I try to solve your all doubts. So let's move into the next option. Beginning of the video, we have understood how to make this profile and the path, the circular profile and the path. Next we are going to learn thin features inside the sweep. Because why? Because this is a elbow sort of thing, but in the elbow the inside portion has to be hollow. So for that hollow we do not have to use any sweep cut or extrude cut, nothing we have to use. Inside sweep base boss only there is a wonderful option called thin features. Let's see how to do it. Now again choose the sweep base boss and select the profile and path. See, thin features is already there. We will be using this option called thin features. Here select the profile and then select the path. Now see, inside portion is solid. We have to make it hollow. How to do that? Now here comes with thin features. Click on it. See, three option is there: one direction, mid plane, and two direction. One by one we will be discussing. If you just zoom it, you can able to see it. This is my sketch. See, it's showing it is your sketch. The thickness is occurred outside. If you want to reverse, you in the one direction. If you want to reverse, you may choose this option called reverse direction. See, now the thickness is occurred inside, either outside or inside. Okay, clear? Next option is mid plane. That means the sketch will be inside symmetrically dividing the thickness. So suppose my thickness is 1.5, so each side point direction. Here you might specify two different direction with respect to this sketch 2. So suppose here, suppose one side direction is total direction is 3 mm, so this side is 0.5 and another will be 2.5. so see, my sketch here from this sketch to this side in the direction 2 option, this sketch to this wall is 0.5 and another thickness is 2.5. Hope this is useful for you and you are able to learn something from my video. If you also think so, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and very soon I will get back with you with a very useful video. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you once again. I'll stop here today.